In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn post using TinyCommand. So let's get started. First, we'll double click on the canvas to open the search modal. Once it opens, search for LinkedIn and select the action called Create Post. Click on it and add it to the canvas. Next, double click on the node to configure it. Before we start configuring the fields, the first thing we need to do is add a connection. Click on Connect Account, give your connection a name, and then proceed to connect. You'll be redirected to LinkedIn for authentication. Click on Allow, and once the authentication is complete, your connection will be successfully added. After that, click on Continue. Now we move on to the configuration part. The first field is Content. This is where you'll add the text that you want to publish as your LinkedIn post. You can write your post content directly here. Next, we have the visibility setting. Here you can choose who should see your post. You can either make it visible to everyone or restrict it to only your connections. For this example, we'll select public. Then comes the media type. This defines whether you're creating a standard post or an article. We'll go with post. Once everything is configured, click on Save and Test. If the setup is correct, you'll see a success status confirming that your post has been created. To verify, you can go to your LinkedIn profile, check your activity section, and you'll see the post published there. And that's how you create a LinkedIn post. And best part is, all it takes is a TinyCommand.